to everyone who came and stayed. Galing. This year, salamat sa nakaka-touch. Akala ko kasi kami dalawa lang pupunta dito. Tapos ayan. Everyone who stayed late, who came and saw and conquered.
Okay, seriously, I'd like to thank everyone for joining us with our special day. Especially to our dear parents. Asa na si Mama? Saka si Papa. And there, okay, thank you. And then I'd like to thank my mom na nagbuya all the way from California to watch us. Sa ate ko na they can be able to come to my dad who went over me. And of course, kay Tito Ben, kay Tita Rose, na umuwi ka, Tita Ben, kay Tito Gary, umuwi pa kayo para just to share this special moment. Tito Boy, thank you for coming, and thank you for joining us in this memorable, itong special day namin. And my friends, my office mates, sobrang alam ko, pagod na pagod kayo. And kahit kami napagod sa long day na to, but you stayed, you came, and you stayed. Sabi nga, thank you very much. It's such a wonderful experience to see all of you tonight. Sobrang nag-alala kami na you won't enjoy. So this is really a blessing from God. So thank you everyone. Words is not enough. So, hand over to everybody.
Thank you din sa mga suppliers namin. First of all, kay Dorcas, ginawa ng lively yung reception. Sa Sir Bob Lawson and Associates, sa quartet, sa Manila Catering, sa Tina Hazel, sa
Essential. Thank you guys so much for supporting us in every way.
Sound Level, and of course, yung napakagandang video na yon, care of Ariel Capelosa. Kuya Gani for my hair and makeup. Okay? And that's all. Uwi na.
Thank you, and to all my family members, salamat sa pag-suporta. I also like to thank those people that had the extra effort to present their talents. Monica, Mona, thank you for that wonderful song. Sobrang nakaka-amaze talaga to watch it live kasi sa YouTube lang dati. Okay, thank you to my beautiful niece, Candy. Thank you for that wonderful dance number. And of course, Jazz, salamat. And of course, syempre, for this wonderful place kung saan namin ito hinel, Glass Garden, salamat. Manila Cater, thank you talaga.
Thank you talaga. Thank you. Kung may namiss kami,